You stuck? Are you stuck? Show Mommy how you go. April 13th, 2010. Emmett will be 6 months on Friday. Can't believe you're going to be 6 months old. He's already figured out how to move in the walker. And he has his first little tooth coming in. Right, big boy? We're going to go get our first shots today. It's no fun. Let me move that box for you, okay? Ooh, Mamma Mia. Show Mama how you go. There you go, there you go. I love it, I love it. He's almost crawling. It's crazy how fast he's developed. Oh, are we stuck on the carpet again? Now go. There you go. Oh, we got it on the carpet again. This is going to be a bad video of you, but you're going to run into the couch. Come forward. Say, I'm so silly, Mom. I'm so silly. Really? A kiwi! Hiccup! 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 You're so silly. We're going to get our pictures taken on Saturday, huh? Our 6-month pictures. I'm so big. I'm such a big boy. All right. Say see you later.